In this video, you will be creating a Kivy file. Basically, in a Kivy file, you will write the user interface, and in Py files, you write the logic of the application. Although you will learn in this course how to create your application interface in Py files and in Kivy files, Kivy files are much more preferred since they organize better your app and separates the logic from the user interface. Your code will be more readable and more editable. I will continue from where I left off last time. The main focus right now is to run this hello world message from the Kivy file. Hence, you need to remove the hello message from the Py file. Now, I will create the Kivy file. I will open Notepad, File, Save as type all files. It is critical to know how to connect the Python file to the Kivy file. The secret sauce is in the initial part of the name of our app subclass. This is our app subclass, and this is the initial part of its name. We will call our Kivy file same name as the initial part of our app subclass name, which is in our case my first Kivy. Then the extension is .kv. Also, I will save the Kivy file in the same directory as the Py file. Now Python knows how to locate and find the Kivy file. First, I will prevent this file from running older version of Kivy. Kivy 1.0.6. Next, I will write the class label inside angle bracket. The angle bracket means it's a Kivy class. Actually, it is the same class label we are returning inside Python here. Hence, we open the angle bracket, we put our class name label, we close the angle bracket, we add the colon. Kivy has this 4-space rule, hence you have to indent with a multiple of 4 spaces in Kivy. So inside the Kivy class, you add 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will add our text attribute hello world. Text, colon. You notice, in Kivy, we use colon instead of equal. And hello world. Then I will give it a color red. Now save the Kivy file and run the code. Here you should be very cautious because what you just did worked. However, adjusting the main class label inside Kivy makes all instances we create from label to be initialized with the same text hello world in red color. The correct way to create a label in Kivy would be to create a subclass label in Python. So I will do that. Class, I will call it a label. It's a label. Then I will keep this class empty. Pass would be a placeholder. Then I will return this subclass and reference this subclass inside Kivy. We save the Kivy file again and we run the Python code. Here I forgot to add colon. I will run the code. To recap, in this lecture I created a Kivy file and named it the same name as the initial part of the name of the app subclass. Then I saved it inside the same directory. Afterward, I used angle bracket to create classes inside Kivy These classes are referenced classes already created inside Python. In the next video, you'll learn how to create the most used widget of all time, the button widget. See you then.